If your iMessages are being sent as text messages, green bubbles instead of iMessages, blue bubbles, don't worry, I've got you covered. This issue usually occurs when iMessage is turned off, unavailable, or experiencing a connectivity issue. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, find the Message app, tap Messages, ensure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on Send and Receive. And make sure to active your iMessage on iPhone with number or Apple ID. Go back, scroll down. Here we'll see an option that's called Send as Text Message. If you only want to send iMessage, then turn it off. But if you want to use text message when your iMessage is unavailable, then turn it on. Solution 2. Active iMessage iCloud. Tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, scroll down, tap See All, find out iMessage and tap on it. Make sure to turn on Use on this iPhone. After that, tap Sync Now. After that, ensure that your internet connection is active and working on your device. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle this off. Solution 4. Sign out and back into Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, select Reset network settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of iMessages being sent as text messages on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments below.